Can you talk about some of your common services and how the different ways that you help customers that come into your warehouse?
Well, we're a full service. We're a full service showroom. Obviously, if you just want to buy wood and install it yourself, we're more than happy to guide you through the process and help you choose a wood that you can install yourself and give you whatever tips we can in the installation of that wood. However, if you want us to come and measure your house and go from start to finish, remove what flooring is there, install new flooring that you've chosen from our showroom, absolutely we can do that for you as well. We do glue down floors, we do custom reclaimed floors or custom patterned floors. We do sand and finish. We touch on every aspect of the flooring business as it relates to wood. And I think over the years we've gotten fairly decent response to that.